Hello achievers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to find the ratio under the topic ratio and proportion. If you have not watched our previous videos, please watch that and come back to this video so that you can able to understand easily. Now let's solve into the questions. Okay, see what is the first thing? If A is to B is 3 is to 4 and B is to C is 8 is to 9, then A is to B is to C is. See here, what are the data they are given? They are given initially ratio of A and B. So what is the ratio of A and B? So they are given it as 3 is to 4. What is the second ratio? B is to C. Okay, what is the ratio of B and C? Which is nothing but 8 is to 9. Now, how to find the ratio A is to B is to C in the sense? Simple. See here, in these two things, which variable is common? Yes, B is common. So B is common for which two variables? B is common for A and B is common for C. Okay. Now, what is the ratio of A and B? Yes, it is 3 is to 4. And what is the ratio of B and C? It is 8 is to 9. But if you observe already in this place, 4 is there now. So what you have to do? We have to write that ratio 8 and 9 just below that. Okay, so like this, how we have written. Now, if you observe here, there is some empty place and here there is some empty place. Now, what you have to do in the sense, you have to write some particular numbers there. Okay, fine. What to write there? That is simple. Whenever this empty place is at the last, you have to write the number just before that empty place. See, now what is that number there? 4. Next, whenever empty place is in the beginning, you have to write the number just after that empty place. Okay, what is that? 8. Now, multiply this. Okay, now multiply this. So now tell me, what is 8 threes are? 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 9 fours are 36. So A is to B is to C is nothing but 24 is to 32 is to 36. But here, if you observe, can you able to cancel all the number that is 24, 32, and 36 by any other common number? Yes, by which table? By 4 table. So if I cancel all the three numbers by 4, this 24 will become what? So 24 divided by 4 is nothing but 6. 32 divided by 4 is nothing but 8. 36 divided by 4 is nothing but 9. So the given ratio, that is the ratio of A, B and C is 6 is to 8 is to 9. Okay, 6 is to 8 is to 9. Fine. So but when you are attending some placement exams or some other exams, okay, don't go for this method. Okay, you have to know this method so that in some cases it will be useful, but here you no need to find the ratio in this part. Okay, how we can approach in the sense based on, okay, how we can approach in the sense based on the options. Okay, based on the options. See here, what they are given. A is to B is nothing but 3 is to 4. Okay, so if you observe, this options is nothing but, see what is that option represents. A is to B is to C. So first option, A is to B is to C. Okay, value. Second option, A is to B is to C. Okay, fine. See now here observe, what should be the ratio of A and B? What should be the ratio of A and B? So it should be 3 and 4. Okay, it should be 3 and 4. See now, if I cancel 8 and 6, okay, see I'll write here 8 is to 6 is to 9. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. If I cancel 8 and 6, what I will get? I'll be cancelling by two table. This is like 4 times, and this is like 3 times. But actually, how much I want? I want 3 is to 4. But actually, what we are getting? 4 is to 3. So, first option is not possible. Okay, next one. Second option, 3, 4. But here, what is the ratio? 9 and 8. So this is also not possible. Okay, next is last option, 3 and 32. But actually, what we want, 3 is to 4. So this is also not possible. So what is the only option? The only option pending is 6 is to 8 is to 9. Okay, clear? Now we'll go for next one. See here, see here, see ratio of A and B. They are given it as 2 is to 3. Ratio of B and C, they are given it is like 6 is to 11. Okay. Now, see here. So I said in previous question, I said one shortcut. What is that? Don't solve it. Okay, by checking the option, we can able to get the answer. Correct now? Yes. Okay, but here if you observe now, see what is this ratio? A, B, and C. Correct? Listen. See, A and B should be in which ratio? A and B should be in the ratio 2 and 3. See here A 2 and 3. So here again B. So how it is 4 is to 6 if I cancel 2 and 3. Similarly 4 is to 6 if I cancel 2 and 3. Okay, 2 is to 6. What is the ratio? 1 and 3. So from this we can eliminate this option. Okay, based on first ratio, we can eliminate fourth option. So what are the remaining options? A, B, and C. Now check for the B and C ratio. What is the B and C ratio? B and C ratio is nothing but 6 and 11. Okay, now tell me, is this 6 and 11? Okay, this 3 is to 11. Is that 6 and 11? No, right? So from this, I can omit this option. Similarly, 6 and 22. What is the ratio? We'll be getting 3 and 11. But actually, how much I want to get? 6 and 11. So from this, I'll be omitting this option also. So what is the answer for this one? It is nothing but option C. Now, we'll cross verify with the normal method. See here, what we have to do? First, check for the variables. If I check for the variable, which variable is common? B is common. So B is common for both A and C. What is the ratio of AB? Which is nothing but 2, 3. What is the ratio of BC? Which is nothing but 6 and 11. Now here empty places, what I have to do? Here I want to write 3 and here I have to write 6. So now multiply. So 6 into 12, 12. Okay, 6 into 2, sorry, 3, 18. 3 into 11, 33. Now a is to B is to C is nothing but 12 is to 18 is to 13. If you cancel, can you be able to cancel all the three numbers by any other common number? Yes. By which table? 3 table. Okay, if I cancel 12 by 3, how much it will become? 4. So 18 by 3, 6. 33 by 3, 11. So the given ratio is 4 is to 6 is to 11. The same answer or same option we got here. Okay, fine. Next one. Next one. If A is to B is 1 is to 2, B is to C is 3 is to 4, C is to D is 6 is to 9, and D is to E is 12 is to 16. Then A is to B is to C is to D is to E is. See what are the data they are given? A is to B, they are given us 1 is to 2. Okay. B is to C, they are given us 3 is to 4. C is to D, they are given us 6 is to 9. Okay. Next, D is to E, they are given us 12 is to 16. Okay, so here what you do, you try with our previous method. See what you have to do, you have to check for the variable, common variable. What is the common variable of A, B, and B, C? B. Okay, so B is common for A and C. Next, what is the common variable for B, C, and C, D? C. Okay, C is common for B and D. Okay, similarly here, D is common for C and E. Now what you have to do? A, B, 1, 2, B, C, 3, 4. Okay, C, D, 6, 9. Okay, D 12 and 16. Next, what we have to do? We have to write some empty places. Okay, in this place we have to write some numbers. Okay, fine. So here which number I want to write? Yes, 2, 2 and 2. Here which number I want to write? 4 and 4. Why we are writing here 2? Because empty places are the last. That means you have to write the previous number. Here also empty places are the last. So you have to write the previous number. So similarly, what number I have to write here? You have to write 9. Now, here empty place is in the beginning. So what number? The number just after that place. Here it is 3. So similarly here, the empty 6 is after that empty place. So here 6 and here 6. Similarly 12, 12 and 12. Okay. Now they are asking you to find what is the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D is to E. Okay. Now what you have to do? Okay, how to find it? Then now you have to multiply all these numbers. Okay, so 12 into 6, 72. So 72 into 3 is nothing but 216. Similarly 12 into 6, 72. 72 into 3, 216. 216 into 2, 432. Okay, so 12 into 6, 72. 72 into 4, so 288. So 288 into 2. Okay, So 288 into 2, how much you will be getting? 576. Okay. So next, 12 nines are 108. Okay, 108 into 4, 432. 432 into 2, 8, 64. Okay, similarly, 16 into 9, 144. Okay, 144 into 4, 288. So 288 in the sense 576. 576 into 2, 1152. Okay, 1152. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to cancel all those things and you need to find the ratio. So instead of going this much big, just now we have seen one short trick. What is the trick? Just to check for the ratio. What is the ratio of A and B? 1 is to 2. Okay, now tell me, is this 1 is to 2 A and B? Is that? No, so this is not the option. Okay, now B and is sorry one sorry second option, B option. Is this 1 is to 2? Yeah, it may be the answer. Okay, it is not yet confirmed. Next one. Here, 1 is to 2 is that 3 and 4? No. So this is not the option. Okay. Fourth option, 3 is to 6. If I cancel, is that 1 is to 2? Yes. So now we are getting two options. Okay. Now we are getting two options. Okay. Now we'll go for the last option, D and E. Okay. D and E. So what is that? D and E should be, see, if I cancel this, this is nothing but 3 and 4 by 4 table. So D and E should be in the ratio 3 is to 4. Okay, D and E should be in the ratio 3 is to 4. Now tell me, 9 and 16 is in the ratio 3 is to 4. No, right? It is not in the ratio 3 is to 4. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 12 and 16. Suppose if you, again, here also if you have some other thing, then go check for B and C. B and C should be in the ratio 3 is to 4. Okay, if I take this is 2 times, this is 3 times. Is the 3 is to 4? No. Okay, so the option for this one is option D. Okay, fine, good. Now we'll go for next question. Next one. Okay, see here. If A is to B is 7 is to 9, then B is to C is 15 is to 7. And they are asking you to find what is A is to C. Okay, there are again three ways. Okay, so what is the first way? Check for the common variable. So B is common for both A and C. What is AB? 7, 9. What is BC? 15, 7. So here which number I want to write? 9. Here which number I want to write? 15. Okay. Now 15 into 7, how much you will be getting? 105. Okay. 15 into 9, 135. Okay. 9 into 7, 63. But they are asking you to find the ratio of A and C. So this ratio is nothing but A is to B is to C, but we need only A and C. What is the value of A? 105. What is the value of C? 63. So can I able to cancel 105 and 63? Yes. By which table? 3 table. How many times? 21 times. So this one 3 table. Okay. So how many times? 3. Okay. 3. 35 times. So again, can I able to cancel it? Yes. By 7 table. How many times? 5 times. And this one is nothing but 3 times. So the ratio of A and C is nothing but 5 is to 3. So instead of doing like this, okay, instead of doing like this, what we can do, okay, what we can do, this is applicable only for finding the first and last one ratio. Okay, first and last ratio. See, this is how we have written, right? Okay, this is how we have written. So how to find the value of A and how to find the value of C? If you multiply this first column, that is 7 and 15, you'll be getting the value of A. If you multiply the last column, you'll be getting the value of C, that is 9 into 7. Now this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. This is 5 times and this is 3 times. So what will be the ratio? 5 is to 3. Okay, this is the shortest way to find the answer for this one. Okay, fine. Next one. See, A is to B. Okay, A is to B. What it is? 3 is to 4. Next, B is to C. What is the value? 5 is to 7. And C is to D. What is the value? 8 is to 9. And they are asking you to find the ratio of A and D. See, A is the initial variable and D is the final variable. So just now we have seen what we have to do. Okay, A by D. So what you have to do in order to find the value of A, multiply these three values. What is that? 3 into 5 into 8 divided by, in order to find the value of D, multiply, that is last value, multiply the last column. What is that? 4 into 7 into 9. Okay, see, this is one time and this is two times. This is one time and this is three times. So what is the pending? 5 twos are. So what is 5 twos are? 10. Similarly, what is 7 threes are? 21. So what is the ratio of A and D? Is nothing but A is to 20. Sorry, 10 is to 21. Clear? Yes. Fine. Now we'll go for next one. See, here this is different model. Okay, observe here. Here given A is to B as 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8. Next, B is to C as 1 by 3 is to 5 by 9. C is to D as 5 by 6 is to 3 by 4. See, in previous concept, which is called as inverse ratio, we are we have seen that how to convert the given ratios, okay, when it is given in fraction. Okay, how to find the original ratio? In the sense, it is very simple. Okay, you have to cross multiply in this format. So 8 ones are 8. Okay, 3 twos are 6. Okay, now can I able to cancel 8 and 6? Yes, by 2 table. How many times? 4 and 3. So this is the ratio of A and B. So now again cross multiply. What happens? 9 is to 15. So can I able to cancel this? Yes. So 3 table. How many times? 3 times and 5 times. So this is the ratio of what? B and C. Okay. Next, final one. C and D. See what happens? Cross multiply. 5 fours are 20. Okay. 6 threes are 18. So what I will get? 10 is to 9. So this is the ratio of C and D. Now you have the ratio in whole numbers. Okay. Based on the first question we have solved, right? So in same format you have the ratios. Now what we have to do? You have to check for the common variable. So in this, B is common for A and C. In last two, C is common for B and D. So what is the ratio of A and B? Is nothing but 4 is to 3. Next, 3 is to 5. Next, 10 is to 9. Okay, so here 3, here 3. Next, here I have to write 5. Here 10, and here it is 3. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply all those things. So 10 threes are 30. 30 into 4, 120. Okay, this 2. Next, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 10, 90. Yes. So next one, 5 threes are 15. 15 into 10, 150. Next one, 5 threes are 15. 15 into 9, 135. Now we have to cancel all those numbers by some common variable if it can be divisible by any other common number. Yes. So here each and every number will be cancelled by each number in the sense 5 table. This is like 24 times. This is like 18 times. This is 30 times. And this one is 27 times. Again, can I able to cancel? Yes, by 3 table. So this is like 8 times. Here it is 6 times. Here it is 10 times. And here it is 9 times. So what is the ratio? 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. Okay, 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. Okay, otherwise, we have seen the shortcut. So what is the ratio of A and B? It should be 4 is to 3. Now check whether it is 4 is to 3. This is 3 times and this is 2 times. No, so this is not the option. Okay, next is 6 and 8. This is 3 times and this is 4 times. But actually, how much I want? 4 is to 3. Okay, this is also not possible. Okay, 8 and 6. Is that 4 is to 3? Yes. So it may be the answer. Next, 4 is to 6, which is nothing but 2 is to 3. So this is also not the option. So what is the only option? It's nothing but 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. Okay, next. Okay, next. See, here they are directly given the ratio of ABC is nothing but 2 is to 3 is to 4. Okay, 2 is to 3 is to 4. Now we need to find the ratio of A by B is to B by C is to C by A. Okay, so here what is the value of A? Value of A is nothing but 2. What is the value of B? Value of B is nothing but 3. What is the value of C? Value of C is nothing but 4. Okay, so A by B is nothing but 2 by 4. B by C is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay, B by C is nothing but 3 is to 4. Sorry, 3 by 4. And C by A is nothing but 4 by 2. Okay, now in the previous session, okay, in the previous session, okay, that is in inverse ratio. Okay, when our fraction is there, when two fractions are given, what I said, we can directly cross multiply. But when more than two fractions are given, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. Okay, so now we have to take the LCM for the denominator. What are the denominators? 3, 4, and 2. Okay, 3, 4, and 2. What is the LCM of 3, 4, and 2? So, how to take the LCM of 3, 4, and 2? Yes, okay. So here I'll be taking 2 outside. This is 3. I will be writing this at not as usual. So this is 2 and this is 1 time. Okay, now 2, 3, 1, 1. Okay, now 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of given number is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. Okay, now you have to multiply this 12 with each and every number. Okay, that is 2 by 3 into 12 is 2. 3 by 4 into 12 is 2. 4 by 2 into 12. Okay, now cancel it. 1 time, 4 time. Okay, 1 time, 4 time. 1 time, 3 time. 1 time, 6 time. So 4 twos are 8. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Okay, 4 6 are 24. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 8 is to 9 is to 24. Okay, there is one more method. Okay, instead of doing this much big, there is one more method. See here, what is the ratio of A by B, B by C, and C by A? Here we have written, right? See, 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4 is to 4 by 2. Okay, now what you have to do in order to see this is A, this is that is okay, let me take this is first ratio, second ratio, and third ratio. In order to find the first ratio, what you need to do, okay, multiply these two numbers. Okay, 4 twos are 8. Now then multiply with the first number's numerator. What is 8 twos are 16? Okay, what is 8 twos are 16? Okay, 8 twos are 16. Now again, in order to find the second part, okay, second, 3 by 4, 4 by 2. In order to find the middle part, what I will be doing, I will be omitting this number. What are the remaining two numbers? 3 twos are 6. So 6 into second number's numerator. So 6 threes are 18. Okay. Now, in order to find the third part, okay, in order to find the third part. So what I will be doing? What I will be doing? Okay, I will be omitting this number. I will be hiding this number. So remaining two denominators. 4 threes are 12. Okay, so 12 into 4 is nothing but 48. Now can I able to cancel all those things just by 2 tables. So this is 8 times, this is 9 times, and this is 24 times. Okay, so the answer will be again same 8 is to 9 is to 24. Okay, next one. If m is to n is 3 is to 2, then 4m plus 5n is to 4m minus 5n is. See here, m is to n, they have given us 3 is to 2. That means value of m is nothing but 3 and value of n is nothing but 2. Okay, now 4m plus 5n is to 4m minus 5n. So what is the value of m? 3. So what I can write? 4 into 3 plus, okay, what is 5n? N value is 2. So 5 into 2. Similarly, here 4 into 3 minus 5 into 2. So 4 threes are 12. So 5 twos are 10. So 12 plus 10. Similarly, here 12 minus 10. So 12 plus 10 is nothing but 22. 12 minus 10 is nothing but 2. So if I cancel, 11 is to 1. So the ratio of 4m plus 5n is to 4m minus 5n is nothing but 11 is to 1. Okay. Next one. Next one. Okay. Okay. See here. X is to, okay, one second. So x is to y is equal to 3 is to 2. So what is the meaning of this? Value of x you have to consider it as 3 and value of y you have to consider it as 2. Now what we need to find? 2x square plus 3y square is 2. 3x square minus 2y square. Okay, what is the value of x? 3. So 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 2 square. Okay, 3 into 3 square minus 2 into 2 square. Okay, what is 3 square? 9. Okay, so how I'll write 2 into 9 plus 3 into, okay, what is 2 square? 4 is equal to 3 into 9 minus 2 into 4. So now 9 twos are 18, 4 threes are 12. Okay, is 2. Okay, this is not equal to, this is 2. Okay, 9 threes are 27 minus 4 twos are 8. So here you'll be getting 30 and here you will be getting 19. So what is the ratio of 2x square plus 3y square is to 3x square minus 2y square is nothing but 3 is to 19. Okay, fine. Next one. Okay, see what they are given. A is to B plus C together, okay, is equal to 1 is to 3. Next, C is to A plus B together. What is the ratio? 5 is to 7. And what they are asking you to find, B is to A plus C together, is what they are asking you to find. Okay, see how to approach this question. See, the thing is simple. 1 plus 3, add this ratio. Okay, 1 plus 3. What is 1 plus 3? 4. So here, 5 plus 7. What is the value? 12. First thing what you have to do, you need to make the numbers same. So here also 12 and here also 12. That means take LCM for 4 and 12. Okay, what is the LCM? 4 table, 1 and 3. Okay, again 3, 1 and 1. So LCM is nothing but 12. So what you need to do, you need to multiply each and every ratio or value by 3. Okay, now what happens? A is to B plus C will become 3 is to 9. Similarly, C is to A plus B will become 5 is to 7. Okay, now what is the value of A? 3. What is the value of B and C? 9. Okay, similarly here, what is the value of C? Okay, C. Value of A is nothing but 3. Value of C is nothing but 5. And what is the value of B and C? Is nothing but 9. See here, you know B plus C is equal to 9. And what is the value of C? C value is nothing but 5. Okay, so B plus 5 is equal to 9 in the sense. What will be the value of B? Value of B will be 4. Okay, value of B will be 4. Now what we need to find? We need to find B is to A plus C. What is the value of B? 4. What is the value of A and C? So 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. So if I cancel, what will be the ratio? The ratio will be 1 is to 2. Okay, ratio will be 1 is to 2. Okay, next. See here, x is to y is equal to 4 is to 5. What is the value of x? 4. What is the value of y? 5. Now we need to find 3x plus y. Okay, 3 into 4 plus 5 is to 5 into 5x. Okay, 5 into 4 plus 3y. Okay, 3 into 5. Okay, 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 5, 17 is to 5 fours are 20 plus 5 threes are 15. So 20 plus 15, 35. So the ratio will be 17 is to 35. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.